All right, I'm pretty excited. My first Hogworkz box. Let's take a look. Oh, there it is. All right. Engine guards. All right. Let's see how hard this is going to be to put on. Here I am, my first Hogworkz sticker. Yay! I'm not going to throw away that awesome box until I get this part on the bike and see what it looks like. I learned that from the seat and I'm keeping it so I can send it back. Instructions, 1 page, 3 bolts. How hard can this be, right? Okay. 3 mounting points. They look fairly simple to get to at first. This screw hole right here. The problem's going to be you have to put a nut on the back. Don't know if you can see. You can't get to the back really from here just because of this oil line. So I'm going to try it from the brake side. This is a tricky angle. See my finger? There's like a little plug right here, a little rubber plug. It kind of screws in almost. You just got to pull the rubber flaps out and then give it a little twist. This is what happened to the one on the other side when I tried to take it out.
Let's talk about why I went with Hogworkz. I guess the first step why I went with Hogworkz was because they're the brand, the recognition that they have. Everyone that's using Hogworkz products love it. They have a great reputation. The Hogworkz crash guards for this bike, engine guards, whatever. I guess engine guards is a little bit less, you know, oh my god, a crash kind of thing. So engine guards we'll go with. Appear to be the same quality of those that you would get from Harley Davidson for about half the price. So Hogworkz for the win there. 3 bolts on. One looks kind of tricky, but to get the nut on, but it worked out easy. And the bolts on either side were pretty easy to get in. The hardest part is you have to back off this plastic stay that's in there. And, like, you have to get under it, and then you could like pull it out with a pair of needle nose. Took some finagling. I wasn't going to record a lot of it, but to be honest with you, it turned out to be a okay one-person job if you didn't have to hold a camera. So I'll put pictures in where stuff goes and all that, but that's it. All right, so I think that is all I have for this video. It's going to be short, quick, and install. You know, only 3 bolts. There's not a lot to test. Get back home, make sure they're nice and tight. This is Jerry, MinnowMoto. Thanks for watching. Have any questions? Feel free to let me know. Down below, you're going to see a whole bunch of comments to the gear that a whole bunch of links to the gear that I use, and a links for Beyond Riders. If you want to save some cash on some cool riding gear, be sure to check that out. And that is all I got. Thanks for watching. MinnowMoto is on the road.